Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hello friends, today we will study diphthong OU and OW. OU and OW sound words. So let's start. Read along with me. OUT out, MOUSE mouse, COW cow, OWL owl, LOUD loud, FOUND found, BROWN brown, CHOW chow, ABOUT about, HOUSE house, MEOW meow, CLOWN clown, SHOUT shout, CLOUD cloud, TOWN town, DOWN down, POUT pout, DOUBT doubt, HOWL howl, ALLOW allow, SOUND sound, GROUND ground, TOWEL towel, NOW now, BOUND bound, MOUTH mouth, WOW wow, BOWL bowl, SOUTH south, COUNT count, POWDER powder, BROW brow, HOUSE house, SCOUT scout, SHADOW shadow, WINDOW window, COUCH couch, OUCH ouch, EYEBRO eyebrow, OXBOW X bow.